The Virtual Train Lab of Lucerne University of Applied Sciences, HSLU, is the test bench for the System DAC Plus. The System DAC Plus is the integral system of the digital automatic coupling DAC. Based on the Powerline PLUS Train Backbone, PTB, it enables automation and digitization functions for the future full digital freight train. The e-coupler is in the center. It is the relevant part of the DAC regarding the coupling of the electric power and the data communication between the wagons, assumed here on its left and right side. We present now the core elements of the System DAC Plus in the test bench, starting with the Central Consist Unit CCU prototype on the left wagon. It contains the hardware prototypes of the wagon power and communication systems which support the train functions, including also the so-called new train functions passive consist detection and train wake-up. Here we see the demo box for the wake-up function. By pushing the green button the local CCU will be activated, and when the white button is pushed the remote CCUs are awakened. This is the junction box prototype assumed at the rear end of the left wagon, and this the e-coupler, in this case Voith's version with the static head which was also used in the DAC Plus test train. We enter now the right wagon, with the junction box prototype, the wake-up demo box and the CCU prototype on the right wagon. Here we see the CCU prototype version which is currently in the test bench. It integrates the systems for all the train functions including the passive consist and wake-up function. Such systems can be separated into 1. The power system consisting of the AC-DC converter, the wagon battery and the power supply controller. 2. The communication system consisting of the PTB modem prototype, the low-pass filter, the IEC 61375 router and the Ethernet 100 base TX switch. 3. The hardware for the wake-up and passive consist detection functions which is the wake-up unit, the power line monitoring and the passive consist load units and an Ethernet I/O controller. 4. The mobile communication gateway. The System DAC Plus has been successfully tested on the test bench. Next, the lab-tested units for the wake-up and passive consist detection functions will be installed on each wagon of the DAC Plus test train, in order to perform field trials.